Hi! In front of me is VIVO V29 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on your photos right away. You can also click on Gallery section, select them from here and click on Add at the top right corner. Or click on Gallery, select Folders and tap on your photos over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!